Okay, hello everyone. Now in this particular tutorial video we will look how to restore the database for a old MDE database that you have, and on the DPT, and what are the actions that has to be performed on the DPT. Okay, just checking if it's being recorded. Yes, it is being recorded. Okay, anyway, so we will is I'll first show you how to restore a database and how to complete that procedure, and then run the DPT. Move on. Okay, now all the data the data I am showing here is the dummy data, like we have replicated again and again, and we've got a database, a sample database. uh, what I will do is I'll have a MDE, and I will restore the MDE, and I will run the DPT one. Okay, now if you are having a old database, that is your work is in progress in 1.6, you can directly install up MDE 1.7 and you can work after setting the default PO name, and DPT and everything will follow. Okay, what I'm gonna tell now is how to infer work on it. So first things first, we'll go to computer. All of you know that should be there, and the date format should be ddmmyyyy. I have all its. I'm not going to concentrate on the prerequisites in this particular video, so it will be a faster video on this part. We'll spend more time on DPT. So go to the MSI, the MSI. Next, install. Yes, and install. Finish. So we are done with installation. Once installation is complete, we will go to manual data entry, database operations, independent DB, create DB for SQL 2008, login, give the login name, that is your server name. Okay, and your password, and then you will go on create DB. Please confirm. Wait till this gets disappeared. So now that is disappeared, we can go ahead, we can give OK, and we can go ahead. Okay, so we are done with this. Now after creating DB in the SQL management studio, in the MDE and MDE sign. Okay, I'm going to show you only restoration of MDE. Okay, restoration of MDE sign has to be done by yourself. So you find the MDE here, delete this. Why I'm doing it is now when we create the MDE database, the DCL gets created, the DCL user automatically gets created. Otherwise there might be an issue with the DCL user if you directly MDE. So you delete it. Once deleted, you'll have MDE sign. If you have both MDE sign, you will have MDE sign and MDE database. So you'll have to delete this also. You'll have to import this also. This is just a practice session. I'm restoring MDE database. Note, you have to name it as MDE from device. Go to the place where you have this database. I placed it in the test pack, unfortunately. Okay. Give OK. Once restoration is complete, you can give OK. Refresh the database. You will see this MDE. Right click on it. New. Note down this query. Okay, you can have it somewhere. So you can run it on MDE. Make sure you right click on MDE and come here. Okay, and then you have to do the same thing. New query on MDE sign also you have to this. Okay, so the command is completed successfully. No. So once you have attached the database might be a older database, so you have to do an upgrade DB for sure. So it's CHN HL 73738L. Okay, and then you upgrade DB. Wait for some time. Since we have replicated a lot of data in this, we have around 20k data here, so it will be taking some time. By that time, this please processing please wait message will. Okay, so now upgrade changes is done. This will tell you default PO code is reset, and from admin module exit, come here, go to admin, log into admin, the username and password is admin in small letters. Go to PO operations, set PO name. You can choose anything. I'll just choose dummy PO from Tamil Nadu. I'll go with the Chennai region. I'll go with you can go up, you can come down. You can take anything, man. I'm just finding. Okay, I'll come to this since this is closer to my place. You can give your vendor ID, or if you don't know your vendor ID, you can give others. For time being, you can give others and you can save. So PO information saved successfully. Give OK. Exit. Update PO in DB. That is the they're going to do. If your DB has multiple POs, please contact the support team. Get the databases cleansed. Okay, you will be queries which you have to run, and you have to have separate database backups, and then only you can work with 0.7. Okay, So update PO in DB. This will take some time. Once this is done, we can go ahead and PT. Okay. Now I am giving you a demo of how DPT is done. So now PO code update fails. This will be only for two tables, which are temporary tables, which will be created during merging. Not worry about it. Your PO code would have been done. If you have a different PO code in the PO code DB, you will get a message telling the PO code update is failed or abort. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll close. I'll come to manual operation. You might have forgot username and password, so you can create a username and password. Data entry, that should be fine. Create, okay, exit. After this you will database operations, person creation, SA 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8. So once this is done, we will go and do the person mapping. See, these are the dummy numbers that we have given, like these are the names. So I've given SA, that is first initial of mine. Done, exit. And once this is done, we can you can see that live product is saved. If there are so this is done, exit. So what we go to reports first and check the reports. Reports SA 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. SA 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you logged into the reports. Daily summary report can give you the data for all the days that you have done the data entry. Okay, so it will be something like this: 0 1 1 19 92. You can give the current date or new date. Some time. So I'll give like you just click on generate and this report generated. Okay, I can exit. I can come to DPT. I will generate the DPT now. The old database that we are working on. So it is assumed that you have completed the work and you are going to generate the DPT. Okay, we will have to wait for some time till this DPT gets generated. Really, this DPT takes around 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay. It might get stuck like this, so this will happen. You have to wait for some time and the DPT will get created. I'm also waiting like you for the DPT to get created here. Okay. So by the time this happens, I will write down the steps. Step 1 will be install MDE. Step 2 will be create DB. Step 3 delete MDE and A underscore from server. Step restore the deep MD DBs MDE and MDE sign. Step 5 upgrade DB. Step 6 would be set PO code and set PO name option in MDE admin. Step 7 will be update PO in DB. Step 8 would be creating credentials. Step 9 run DPT. Step 10 correct DPT errors. Step 11 run DPT correction. Step 12 proceed if no or repeat step 10. Okay, and then step. Okay, so once it's 0, step 13 create array sign off and payment reports. That's all. So now this all these 13 steps will be for storing a data and entering and completing the process to get mm, higher payments. Now once these reports, sign off reports and the payment report is given, then we easily do it. We can easily have the payments, and we can also make sure that the data is very what do you call, that the data is very clean. Okay, that is what we want more than anything else. Data and our convenience on the payment, these are the two main themes for MD 1. You guys keep by hearting these steps. Or else we'll continue this on the second part. Okay, it is taking some time, so let's not waste the video time and your time. Let's continue this in the second part. I will giving you the second part of this particular publication.